Hello, hello, it's me again, back with another mystery bundle from FabFitFun. This one has the number 2103-MYS-029. So without any further ado, let me just cut the string off. I've long since given up trying to untie these. And let's begin. So I think I'll go for some of these little items first, and I'll get those out. The first one is NCLA Los Angeles Treatments, So Rich. And that is a vitamin-infused cuticle oil. Okay, so manicure time. I don't usually use a cuticle oil. I probably should because my hands are always dry as a bone. I have like 5 lotions sitting out at my desk at all times. So a nice little cuticle oil. That's a good start. And I guess we're sticking with the nail theme. This is a London Town Get Well Nail Recovery. And it says nourishing alpha hydroxy acids, vitamin infused, vegan. These are all things that sound very good. And it says healthier looking nails are just 1 week away. So it says you apply it on bare nails, allow it to dry, and use twice weekly for best results. My nails are always short and stumpy, like they don't grow past my thumb, and that's fine because I work a lot on computers and typing, and I also cook a lot. So those two things are things that kind of negate me from having like big long fingernails or even like acrylics, just because they would make my life very difficult. But I'm all for good nail health, so I would definitely put that on my short little stumpy nails. Okay, the next item is a pair of Pro Illuminating Tweezers. And this is a good one because I've been using the same pair of Tweezerman tweezers for probably like the last 3 years. I'm so bad at getting new ones. They're getting dull. I know they have like a lifetime guarantee that you can go get them sharpened or something, but this looks like a really cute pair, and it would be nice for a secondary pair. Let me see. So just to take them out of the box so you can see a little better. They've got like this cool like cutout design on the side. They're really pretty color. And I'm just popping this out because I'm not sure what this is. Maybe the carrying case. Not sure how you open that. I'll have to study that later. But the tweezers themselves are really nice. And they light up so you can see exactly where you're plucking, which is really nice to get like those teeny little hairs. Because my eyes are kind of bad and I have trouble seeing them all the time. So that light would really help. So that's a really cool thing. That might be my favorite thing from this bundle. We will see. There's still one item left and I can't see inside to see what it is. So let's check it out together. Looks like it might be glasses of some kind. I'll open the baggie and take a look. I don't know if they're like readers or sunglasses, but we will find out. La Vida by Privé Revaux, if I'm saying that right. Probably not. Ooh, I think I'm gonna like these. Oh my god, yes. These are like my dream sunglasses. I love tortoiseshell and I love big boxy sunglasses. So these are really cute. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so out of the couple of bundles I've looked at so far, this one is definitely my favorite, just because I love the sunglasses. I love nail stuff. I just like messing with my nails, even if they are short and stumpy, so both of these things are pretty cool. And of course the tweezers are really neat as well. So that's just like a last look at all these items. And that's it for this bundle. I will be back shortly with another bundle. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your night. Take care, and I will see you next time.